Why does Git need two commands, add and commit? Just to save your work. Git add moves changes from your working directory into the staging area, also called the index. Think of it like packing a box. You choose exactly which files, or even which lines of code, go in. Nothing is permanently saved yet. You're just telling Git what you want to include in your next snapshot. Git commit takes everything in the staging area and permanently records it in the repository's history. Each commit creates an immutable snapshot with a unique hash, a timestamp, and your commit message. This is what builds the timeline of your project. The record others can review, roll back to, or merge into their work. So why the two-step workflow? It gives you precise control. Imagine you've edited 10 files, but only 3 are ready for review. Git add lets you stage just those 3, leaving the others untouched. Your commit becomes a focused, logical change, not a messy dump of everything. You can even stage individual sections within a file using git add-p. The staging area is your drafting table. Add stages the draft, commit publishes it. Stage with git add, snapshot with git commit. 2 steps to a clean history. Follow for more Git tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.